Welcome to Techlipper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to insert date and time in Microsoft Excel. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to insert date and time. Now the first method is function method and second method is keyboard shortcut method. Now the first thing you have to do is open Microsoft Excel and then open a new document. Now I will show you how to insert date and time using function. Now to insert date you have to type today function. Now just type it, then press enter, and here it is. And now to insert time you have to type now function. Now just type it, then press enter again, and now you can see that will insert date and time both. And now I will show you how to insert date and time using keyboard shortcut. Now to insert date you have to press Ctrl and semicolon at the same time. Now just do it, and you can see that will insert date. Now to insert time you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon at the same time. Now just do it, and now you can see that will insert the time. And that is how you can insert date and time on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.